Hello guys, I will show you how to add recovery email in your Gmail account. Open your browser and type mail.google.com and sign in, or click your profile picture the right corner and manage your Google account and click the security the left and click protect your account. And click recovery email, click add button and type your email password. Add recovery email type, enter your Gmail recovery email and click next and get verification code. If you don't receive a verification code, click done again sending. Now enter verification code and click next. Now recovery email address add your Gmail account. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.